This is Mickey in the snow. And this, folks, is what the Connecticut version of beginnings of a blizzard looks like. Ready? Woo! Crap! That was the garage door open. And the dog's in the garage. Great. So yeah. Welcome to Blizzard Land. Ugh, lordy. Mickey. And that's my father. Okay, we need a bag because he did his business all up and down the doroshka that Mama made for him. Yep. Plow truck. Plow truck, rather. Can't speak English. Come on, Missy. Alright, let's see if we can have it. Alright, ready? Whee! Doop. Didn't have it. Darn. Missy! Come on. Is this soda? Missy! Yum, yum, yum. Is the snow yummy, Mishi? Does the snow taste good? Are we eating the snow? We're eating the snow. No, leave my car alone. Come on. Mickey, come. Let's look at the pretty weather as I'm eating the snow. Mick. All over there. There's a lot of it. Okay. Hi. King Mish in the snow. King Mishi in the snow. Куда пуси побежал? Куда пуси? Эй, куда? Миши. Mishi. Come on, no, foo. Come on. This is a duck. Okay, bye, Mickey. Bye. Quiet, I'm filming. There he is. Pussy in the snow. Okay, great. La. Where are you going? What? I want you to play in the snow. Mishi. Давай поиграем. Идем. Come on. Let's go. Let's go play. Can we go play? Come on, Mick. This is a lazy dog that doesn't want to play in the blizzard. Mishi. This is what, you want to see what a lazy dog that doesn't want to play in the blizzard looks like? That's it. Okay, сейчас, подожди.